So as a developer, I think the worst part about having an idea, so like a really cool app or a really cool product, is actually the coding part of it. And I don't mean the really fun business logic, hooking things up together, trying to solve complex problems. I mean the somewhat boring, tedious side of creating the site, like using HTML div tags, figuring out what CSS to use here and there. Not the fun animation part, just the boilerplate side of putting things together and making sure things look good, making sure things are responsive on different devices. That part is really tedious. But this is honestly where I think AI shines. And if you're not using tools like V0 or open source equivalents or Cursor, Claude, ChatGPT to write this stuff for you, then I highly recommend you check it out because it saves me lots of time. Now, I don't think front-end developers are going away soon. In fact, I think it's super beneficial to learn about React, CSS, HTML, all that stuff. But I think when it comes to writing the tedious part of it, like HTML tags, all that stuff, then use AI. I recommend using AI. Just go to V0 or whatever, type in what you want, type in the prompt, hit enter, and it'll write that code for you, and you can copy and paste that into your project. It makes it so much quicker. But what does that mean for front-end developers? If employers catch onto this and know that AI can write most of the code that their developers can, what does that mean for developers? Well, I'm not sure. I don't know 100% what this means for devs in the future. But what I do know is that if you're not using any of these tools at the moment, the devs that are and the devs that are really good at using these tools will get ahead of you and will be able to build products quicker. Also, this is great for people who don't know how to code, who found coding intimidating. They can create a product using AI fairly quickly. Now, it's not perfect. AI makes lots of mistakes, and this is why I think it's useful to know what you're doing so that you can correct the mistakes that AI makes. But on the whole, this is good news because it'll help people to create quicker, learn newer things quicker, and in general, stop doing the tedious things and do more of the things they love. What do you think?